Hello and welcome to measurement vignette number 27 from Duncan Cartledge Online. This short presentation will discuss the measurement of substructures using RICS New Rules of Measurement 1. Measurement vignette number 23 discussed the use of approximate quantities, during which I made the point that one of the disadvantages of this approach is the lack of standardization and rules. However, since 2009, NRM1 has provided a set of measurement rules, primarily for estimating and cost planning, but which also can be used to prepare approximate quantities and approximate bills. Here is a typical page from NRM1 illustrating the rules for the measurement of substructures. As with NRM2, the rules are read from left to right. Using the rules, a description can be framed as shown here. Measurement is taken in linear meters along the center line. The specification and dimensions have been assumed. To complete the measurement of the substructure, the lowest ground floor construction should now be measured. Once again, a description can be framed, combining several work sections, and the substructure is measured and complete in 2 items. If you have enjoyed this video, please don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel in order to get the latest updates and releases.